What's up, future entrepreneurs? Welcome back to the update on the COTP system. I do understand I have a couple people that were telling me that there was an issue going on with the withdrawal, and I was about to send in a question to the customer service desk, and it looks like they sent out a mass message to everyone using the system, and this is what they said. Let me go ahead and highlight that so you can see what they're saying here. Now, first I'm going to go through the other questions that I was asking. I was asking, can multiple people in the same household have two accounts each, or just two per household? And they first said hello, and I had to ask the question again, and they said yes, you can. So yes, more than one person in the same household can have two accounts in the same roof. Now, the issues that are going on with the withdrawals, what they're saying is this: due to the technical failure of the SMS operator's equipment, some users have been delayed in obtaining the verification code. We are stepping up contact with the operators to solve the problem. Please be patient. Now, what I do know about that particular part of the system is sometimes there is a delay with the withdrawal. Well, not really a delay with the withdrawal, but sometimes you have to press the button a couple times before you get your withdrawal. I've seen people do that multiple times, even before this particular issue. So there was an issue with with getting the SMS code. At times you would press it, or you would hit click to get the message, and you wouldn't get it. So you have to click it a couple times to get it. So it seems like that as of right now, as far as I know, there is a issue with that. How long will it last? I don't know. It's just going to be the end? I don't know. This is pretty much just an issue that they're having right now, and if the issues persist for over a couple more days, then I would say this would be the end of the system. But as of now, right now, they're saying that it is a technical failure of the SMS operator's equipment. So right now, all we can do is wait and be patient, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. It's Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.